Ni sehemu yenkoyoni go bagwa kiri tambokero gikyumbigia FKF usegero etumbe ya Football Kenya Federation go chakia enkoyo use ligi ya bana emanyikanete buna ya FKF Youth League ligi yo ya chaka alitko ya mwisonde nigo era chikwane kia ugosira chigosoli sehemu ya bana bake na nigo bateruna nigera chikokonya chiligi chinene chingaki anabo bakonyora amorokero barabake chiligi cho ose ligi yo ya FKF Youth League.
Nashukuru FKF kwa kuangalia hiyo talent yetu tunanecha hapa kwa hii ground. So tukiendelea hivyo at least watu wakigrow kwa background fit wakicheza hizi games za watu wakiwa wadogo kwa ligi zetu za hizi kubwa kama Division 1 county nini zitakuwa na watu wanajua ball. Sasa hizi kama vile FKF inaleta Youth League kwa watu future FKF itakuwa mahali papoa sana. Na football Kenya itagrow sana juu unapata huyu mtu akifika pale anacheza top level ashamaliziwa kila kitu hapa kwa grassroots.
Because this is what football is all about. And I think with this we can easily look for sponsors so that it can look more beautiful. So it will help us a lot to develop the skills and the youth for the nearest future. Kenya is a beautiful country, and you can see the way we did in that recent Kosafa, we played perfectly. So I think it starts from here. And I know in the nearest future, it's not even, future is even here. And the Kenya football is going faster about that.
Once we grow football in the lower levels, the more football in the upper levels will also grow. And because the kids are the future professional players in the national team or in the professional leagues, even in our country. Once you nurture the kids in the lower levels in the right way, you will get the talents you need and you will nurture them the way you need. Even when they get to the national level, they are already equipped with whatever they needed in the lower levels. The growth of our Kenyan soccer, I think, is going in the right direction, since you can see there's a clear picture and even in the under 13 and in the under 17. That's why we have our girls going to the World Cup. It's because of how we nurture talents in the sub counties in the lower levels.